BMC election, power game or identity battle. Will Mumbai stay silent or demand change? Ultimately, who will the citizens of Mumbai trust? BMC elections. The Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation elections are not just regular municipal elections. If you think they are only about electing councillors, think again. For Mumbai, these elections are as significant as the Lok Sabha elections for Delhi. Here, it's not just about picking representatives. It's about deciding the direction in which the city will run. Roads, water supply, waste management, hospitals, schools, and even the ability to handle floods all fall under the BMC's control. That's why when BMC election happened, it's not just Mumbai that's impacted, but the entire politics of Maharashtra. This year, the stakes are higher than ever because power, identity, and revenge politics are colliding all at once. The BMC is Asia's richest municipal corporation. Its budget exceeds that of many states, and nearly 2 million people's daily lives depend on it. If water is delayed, BMC is responsible. If roads are broken, BMC is at fault. If Mumbai floods during the monsoon, fingers point directly at the corporation. That's why the party in control of BMC essentially controls Mumbai's politics. For decades, this control was with Shiv Sena, but now even Shiv Sena is fractured. And that's where the real story of this election begins. Currently, the BMC battle is split into three main camps. On one side is BJP with Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena, holding state power. On the other side is the Thackeray Brothers Alliance, led by Uddhav and Raj Thackeray, emphasizing Marathi identity. The third player is Congress, appearing weaker but not completely out of the game. For BJP, this election is a question of power. Winning Mumbai would solidify their long-term control over Maharashtra politics. For Thackeray brothers, it's a fight for survival. If Mumbai slips away, so does their political influence. This election has been heated not just by issues, but by controversial statements from leaders. The question, whose Mumbai is this, suddenly came alive again. The issue of Marathi locals versus outsiders is at the forefront. Some statements have made it clear that identity is now central to this election. Raj and Uddhav Thackeray made this an emotional issue, while BJP was accused of viewing Mumbai merely as power center. Between religious slogans and regional identity politics, the common citizens is left wondering when their roads, water and traffic will be fixed. BJP and the Thackeray brothers continue their battle of statements. BJP and the Shinde faction claim they have a development model. Big projects, flyovers, coastal roads, metro lines, all part of the narrative. But critics argue this election is being fought just for control, not for the soul of the city. Meanwhile, the Thackeray brothers say they alone can keep Mumbai truly Mumbai. They emphasize local leadership, local thinking, and local leads as the real drivers for the city. But the question remains, can votes be won purely on identity, especially when past administrations faced corruption allegations? Congress focuses on civic issues, but in this noise, their voice often gets drowned out. The truth is, the average Mumbai voter is exhausted. They don't want speeches, they want relief. Every year, flooded streets during the rains, hours of traffic, dirty water, and high taxes are their daily struggles. Yet, during elections, these issues fade behind identity battles. The youth is angry, the middle class is silent, and slum dwellers are just waiting to see who will improve their conditions. This silence makes this election especially unpredictable and risky. In the end, the question is not just who will become mayor. The real question is whether Mumbai will again become a political trophy or whether the city will actually see improvements in daily life. The BMC election outcome won't just change the list of councillors, it will determine whether Mumbai's politics moves toward identity-based leadership or performance-based governance. And perhaps this election will decide the direction of Maharashtra politics for years to come. At the moment, there is a slight but clear tilt toward the Thackeray brothers, especially among Marathi and urban voters. The BJP Shinde faction remains strong but is facing anti incumbency fatigue. Congress is behind, so if the trend doesn't change, the Thackeray camp appears likely to have the edge. Where many news channels are caught up in noise and agendas, Sutra Network stands firmly with facts and truth. We don't chase sensationalism, we show reality. If you believe in honest journalism, join us for truth, for change. And if you have a story that needs to reach the people, click the link below and share it with us. For more information, read our article on this. Link is mentioned in the description.